Okay, so build about has new update, and there's 6 eggs. Nice. First is the jigsaw egg. Oh my goodness, this is loud. What? So this is just a puzzle, so just shift them around. And it just needs to match up. So just like mix them. And then you'll get it. And that's the end one, the jigsaw one. It's good if you have jetpack, or you can have jets. Next one is this. So it should be like right here in the mid. So you just have to memorize where it's been. Oh my. Dude. What? It's quite hard, but you just get that to this one. And just go find more. Wait, what? There's this one now. Mechanical egg. Oh, come on. Okay, that's an unlucky one. If you go to rocket egg, then it'll go over there, and I need to go over there in time, but I can't. This one. Wait, what? This is not working. Just go on here. Oh, I was confused what that was. So submarine, you just catch it. So it just goes this way, and then you have to like catch it. If it goes into like a wall, it's easy. Or like what happens right now. Mechanical egg is right there. It's on the wall. What is that? I don't think that's an egg. No, it's not. It's not always in the middle. Wait, no, not that. Jets. Jets right here, and then need seat. Right here. I only need one, then just go on. insanely easy. Now, here's the rocket egg. Oh, come on. Can't go back. But if you catch it, that's still going great for you to go. Now, the mechanical egg. You just have to follow this. Well, I didn't see the last one. No. Okay. I don't remember if I showed this already. You could get like really lucky. Right. Red, red, blue, red, red. There what? Red, red, blue, red, red. Okay. Wait, what was the first one? Oh, come on. Okay. Now mechanical. So these three are done. This one's done. And the rocket one's done. The hardest one is the gnome egg, probably. Not really. Like, you have to find the gnome. Where's my gnome? Yeah, it is. When you find the gnome and just touch it, then you will have to find another gnome from where it is like here. I'll just roll the silver. Okay. So you just touch it. You just touch it and it will show another spot. Oh, it's right here. No. It can't be like, it can't be seen through. Like this one's not, I can do this one. Like you touch it, and then it just shows another location. I see the red flag right there. So, need to get to my flying thing. So it's near red area. And then I'm in. So now I go to the red area. It was right here. And just go up. This is the last one. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Okay, so now it's at the edge. It's like where yellow is. Oh my goodness. Come here. Okay. Hopefully it won't run out of fuel. If it does, then that's just sad. And wait, no, I forgot. Oh my. And it's not. Yeah, of course it's not. And I see green over here, so just reset game with a flying machine. Green's alright then. So now go over, like, where's my, okay, so. This is the easiest way to get things. Like, super quick. And it's down right here. So get the sky, and then I got it. Okay, next video is gonna be about boss fight because it's quite hard. So I'll do that soon.